JFK. For today's How Tuesday, I'm going to show you how to Skiplagged and a couple tips. If you guys don't know what Skiplagged is, you guys should definitely check it out. It's pretty simple. All you got to do is go to skiplagged.com or get the Skiplagged app and look for the destination that you want. It tries to cut costs by finding a layover where you can get to your destination. Sometimes this is cheaper, but the tip that I'm going to give you guys, the number one tip when using Skiplagged is to book the flights directly. I'm going to say that one more time. Book the flights directly. It is possible, it's happened to me, but I've also heard it happen to other people. But airlines will refund your ticket sometimes just because you use Skiplagged. The airlines really don't like it. Last important tip is to make sure that everything you have is a carry-on, because if you check your bag, you're not going to get it. So yeah, that's going to be the video that I've got. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be back on Thursday. I'm going to be digging through New York this week. Also going to be giving away another hat, hopefully one that I find here. So yeah, tune in. I'll see you guys.